Today I will show you our kitchen sink. The material is SUS304, high quality and durable. The surface treatment is straight drawing, anti-scratch. There is an anti-overflow hole, prevent water from flowing out. It is made by numerically control welding technology, simple structure. The thickness of this plate is 3 mm, strong load bearing. It adopts dew-proof coating technology. This is a single bowl sink. You can also choose double bowl structure. It is matched with some accessories, such as drainer and drain basket. This sink is installed on the stage. It can also be installed under stage. It will be in safe package before delivery, preventing damage.